may allocated na kayo talaga. So you will never experience the hardship of the other graduates of other schools. And this is a privilege for you. Maraming gusto or maraming naghahangad to be in your place right now. But you are the ones who are here. Do not waste that opportunity. Okay? So, ano ba yan? Ano kasi importante, homesick ka, miss mo si mama mo, or si girlfriend mo, or si boyfriend mo, or having a secure future. Yes, you're guaranteed to be officers din. Di ba? May program kayo dito. This is no ordinary thing. This is not a small thing. So, hindi ko na sa inyo. All you have to do is make the most of what you have. And use that. Kung ano yung envision nyo, kung ano yung goal niyo 5 years from now, 10 years from now. Ikaw, anong goal mo? Where do you see yourself 10 years from now?
I hope 10 years from now, I will be most valuable asset from the company as a master mariner.
Be specific.
As a master mariner and a captain.
10 years from now as a captain. Is it doable? Yes. It is doable. Pwede mangyari yan, especially sa inyo kasi meron kayong program to boosted actually ang curriculum. Ang projected. Some seafarers never even become officers. Right? Sa inyo, it's actually a given. So don't push that. Diba? So envision yourself 10 years from now kung ano gusto maging and then use that as an inspiration to stick with this program, finish it, then prove it to the world. Achieve your goal. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Hi, good afternoon. Wala. Bakit di ba ako kilala? Hi, good afternoon. So, I'm Third Engineer Edward Rex Nantes. Nag-vlog din ako, like Chick Makoy. Hashtag behind Edward na Facebook page and YouTube channel. So, I got my shot like 2 years ago na naging Indian officers. Ang tagal kasi 2014 yata, 2013 ako nag-start mag-plot. So, ang tagal no? 10 years bago ako naging officers. Kasi hindi ako galing sa academy or scholarship na ito. Kaya ako natagalan. Ang dami kong nakasama sa barko ng mga galing academy and NSA cadets especially. Kasi galing ako sa Norwegian company, shipping company. So ang babata nila, official na sila, engineer na sila. Kaya, kasi na-program sila na maging engineer and officers. So, they will give me a chance na bumalik. I will choose an academy or schools na nag-offer na ganitong program. Kasi, ang bilis nyo maging officers or engineer. Siguro, ang bilis namin sumampa or ang bilis namin makatapos sa schools kasi galing kami sa regular. Kayo, alam ko, medyo mahirap yung pagtataanan nyo. But after this, trust me, ang dami kong nakasama ng NSA cadet, ang mabata pa, engineer and officers na. May sariling bahay, may sariling sasakyan, at naano na nila yung family nila. Sabi ko nga, if they will give me a chance na bumalik ulit sa school, I will choose to become a scholarship. Kasi alam ko na-interview na sila sir, no? Yung shipping company. So yung future nyo dito, nakahanda na. Yung opportunity nyo, nag-aantay na doon. Kailangan lang mag-base kayo at mag-train para maging officers someday. Kasi may program kayo. So tiisin nyo lang to. Trust me, ang daming NSA cadet na nakasama ko. At nainggit talaga ako sa kanila kasi ang mabata nila officers. So kaya nyo yan. Kaya nila. Kaya nila. Sa kanila lahat naman NSA. NSA.
Usually na po regular.
Okay. So, ang daming NSA talaga na nakasama ko sa na engineer na ngayon ng overseas. So, sabi ko nga, na kaya nila, kaya nyo rin. Kaya ba?
Sir, yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Hi, good afternoon. So, I think most of you may not know me yet. Okay? But for starters, I am your academic coordinator for BS Marie. And Sir Tayo is your academic coordinator for Marine Transportation. Okay? So, I think there's no need for much introduction just now, for now, because I believe that we will know each other along the way naman. No? Okay, so, good luck.
Okay, good afternoon. Okay, good afternoon, cadets. Okay, so maraming salamat sa aking guest, no? Yung dalawang famous vlogger, kaluwer ako dito. Kasi magaganda yung mga content na nila, magagamit ko rin sa kasi at the same time, sir, we are CDRCs with Sir Jordan. We develop courses. We need also the content like before the magnetic compass. Your content, the magnetic compass. Kinuha yung video na yun sir sa YouTube. Gyro compass. How to clean, what is the use. Maganda kasi siya, Italiano, detail siya. Maganda sa mga bata. So, maraming salamat sir. Si Biyahe ni Edward. Okay. You can follow her blog, Chief Makoy. Marami kayong matutunan. Okay. Ako nga pala si Ganmate. Diyan tayo. Akad sa Inti. Partner ni Sir Jordan. Okay, thank you guys.
I'd like to take note, no? So, dapat maging thankful tayo sa opportunity na to dahil meron tayong guests dito na nakikita sa atin. And if kulang kayo, well, so, 10 years ago, I was just like you guys. Okay? 31st kayo, no? 21st din ako. Okay? So, anong gusto mong maging 10 years from now? Take it from me. And so to close this meeting, so please clap your hands for our team.
So, good afternoon. Once again, so I know most of you know me because we did in the first orientations. So before we close this short motivational meeting, so I would like to thank our guest, Chief Makoy sir. Thank you for spending your time with us to give your motivational and inspirational message. Sir Gordon Lester, thank you very much. And also to my angkat coordinator for MTMRA, Engineer Jordan Roy Gorgonio, and Second Officer Juancho Tayo. So yun nga cadets, no? So naintindihan ko sa inyo na medyo sa barko pa nasa adjustment period pa kasi kayo. Ganon din kami dati, no? So mga first to 3 months, ganon talaga. Nandun yung mga homesickness, hindi nyo nasanay ba? So nagkain ng 3 months, 3 to 6 months, yun. Umpisa na kayo maka-adjust. Alam nyo na yung routine sa barko. Dito, alam nyo na yung routine sa dorm. Yung patiklak nyo na nasa calisthenics. Then, thanks to yourself, mga 7 to 9 months, alam ko kung successful kayo, no? So, ito lang masasabi ko. Sabi nila, you cannot spell success without using. So, isa na yan. Pero do not forget the letter S, that is sacrifice. So that you can spell success completely, no? So, first is sacrifice muna. Then second, meron na kayong music. So, siguradong success na talaga yan, guys, no? So, kami nakamit namin, ang amin nakamit ngayon dahil nagsakripisyo din kami guys. Hindi yun nakamit na basta kuha agad, kapitan agad, hindi. Na, ganun din kami, nagsimula din kami sa pinaka-lowest mamal. Okay? So, you cannot spell success without using, but especially you cannot spell success without the first letter S, the sacrifice. Okay? So, yun lang masasabi ko. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig at gusto ko makita ko kayo na babalik talaga dito sa ating school in the 4th year. Sana walang mga quitter, no? Because quitter don't succeed. Yun ang ating mga kasabihan, no? Sa Marino. So, kung mag-quit ka, ngayon pa lang, wala na, hindi ka na masuccessful dahil wala kang letter S, no? Wala kang sacrifice. Gusto mo makuha yung success, pwede ka na umpisa sa single step o pamankind according to Neil Armstrong. Okay? So, sa Biblia pa, do not despise small things. So, yung mga small things na ginagawa mo yun, this is the first step, no? As long as the work is done. Yun ang sinasabi ni Yesu Cristo. Kaya siguro, bago lang kayo kasi, yun nga, walang cellphone. So, gano'n din yung mga papa natin, yung mga lolo natin dati, wala naman talagang cellphone, no? Pero nakasurvive sila, no? So, ngayon, tiisin nyo lang muna, gano'n talaga. Hindi naman yung buong buhay nyo walang cellphone. O walang kayong kaibigan. Wala, marami tayong kaibigan. Lalo na pag trabaho na kayo, hindi na kayo lalapit, kayo pagkalapitan, no? Gano'n. So, yun lang. Adjust lang, adjust, no? Adjust at the same time, seek guidance from above. Yun lang talaga yung masasabi ko, no? Yung pinakauna natin na. Okay? Thank you very much. Good afternoon. So, I'd like to close this meeting. So, any questions, concerns, comments? So, I give you a little time to say your concerns. Baka mayroon kayong mga pangapol na mensahe para sa ating mga bisita. Sino gusto mong salita? Pwede. Mga artistahin natin mga bisita, pwede, wala problema, no? So, gusto, picture taking na, wala na masasabi? Okay, sige. So, all is well. Okay, so, now, so, hindi mo pilitin na guys, no? So, ganun na talaga, sacrifice mo na. Narapin din natin yung mga pinapangarap natin, no? So, hindi yan basta-basta natin nakuha, no? Sinisikap yan. Ha? Kita is nag-apot. Sikap talaga yan, guys, ha? Okay, so, thank you. Ay, ano ko lang permission sa ating public information officer, Captain Arnold Pangalaman. Basta ano ko yung vision sir?
Picture mo na tayo ulit. Pwede. Notas labas with famous vloggers. For me. Sige.